Hello, everyone. It's Ivana here from Express Prints. Now, today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of Express Prints and explain why and how I work with the print on demand company to create my gorgeous custom latte mugs for you. Now, first off, why do I use a print on demand service? It's very simple, guys. It allows me to focus on what I truly love and do best, which is designing. It provides me with the convenience to channel all my energy and focus into creating unique and beautiful designs for you all. It takes away the stress of managing the production process, which is a big task on its own. Speaking of designing, let's dive right into it. Okay, guys, so here we are looking at my Canvas screen to start with. So, what I want to do, I want to show you what exactly goes into creating a custom design mug that you see on my website, Express Prints, and what I do, what is my contribution towards the mug, and how I design my graphics, and then obviously we will go over to print on demand company that prints it out for you and sends it to you. So, as I've explained in a previous section, I love working with print on demand because, as a single person, I simply don't have the time to do everything because it's just me. And I really just really enjoy the creative process. So, I'm very happy that other professionals can take care of, doing the mug for you, wrapping it up, sending it to you safely. So, it really works very well. So I'm going to show you how I work with a company called Gelato. Now I have two print on demand companies, but this one specifically deals with latte mugs, and I love latte mugs. They are just so large, so comfy, so nice to hold, and the graphics look really lovely on them. So let's take a look at how I go about starting to design, how I choose my design, what kind of size do I have to work towards, and everything else. Right. So if I head over to Gelato, Gelato is print on demand company. Like there's just so many other wonderful companies. Gelato is one of them. So you just need to go to product catalog, and I'm going to mugs, and I'm going to pick my latte mug. So I work with 17 OZ um, latte mugs. So I click on it. And before I go to start designing, I am going to sort of see what kind of sort of like pixelage do I need for this, how big the format should be. So I can download template. Let's see what it gives me. And let's open it up. Okay, so we've got 150 times 88 millimeter we should aim for this size. Yeah. So when I now head over to Canva, so it's 150 height and depth is 88 millimeters. So let's go have a look. 150 and depth is 88. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, create a new design. Okay. And now we've got our wrap ready here. So let's just double check that it's the right size. Yes. And then 150. Okay, fantastic. Yeah. So what do we do next? Next, we sort of like choose a design. And you know what? Like I don't really choose my designs like specifically every day. I sort of like I've got so many, as you can see. I'm hoping that you can see my screen. But I've got so many lovely designs, and it's sort of like how I feel that morning. So recently, I've been preparing some Christmas wraps here for everyone, and then it's very famous now, this 3D wrap. So I'm also creating some for other people that do sublimation work or POD on demand for mugs. So I'm doing a lot of creative 3D graphics, but I also have so many other ones. I can't wait to start on autumn ones where I have this kitty, and I'm already thinking what kind of saying I could use there, you know. And the reason I also love designing latte mugs is that it's sort of like a big enough platform, big enough graphic to combine text, very nice text, nice motto, or nice design with a nice photo, so with a nice graphic. So let's just pick some graphic. I don't know. So we're doing cafe cafe latte mug, so we may get away with the bigger. So I'm just going to pick something that I've already perhaps upscaled. They got ready and it's already for sale, so that that design is perfectly it's already big. So let's go to Stay Magical, and I've got here 5 types. These are all already available on my website. So BU Onion Beauty. So let's just click on any. We just need really the image. And as you can see, this is my upscaled graphic ready to go. And this is a smaller version. So this is the version that I originally did. And then I upscaled it. I can show you where I upscale my design. So it's called Pixel Cut. And then I just upload photo and it upscales for me. Okay, so let's go and design our product. Here we are. So I'm going to upload. Now, guys, I've already uploaded here, but I'm going to upload another one just to show you how I did it. So I'm not sure which one oh, I think we said this one, didn't we? So let's just upload this one, the larger size, and then we also will be upscaling this graphic because I'm a perfectionist. You don't need to do this for mugs, but I like everything really, really like high DPI and perfect because I just want the graphics on that mug to pop, and I'm completely fascinated with these mugs. Okay, so let's start. Let's put this first graphic here. What we can do, we can if we want to, we can edit the image and take away the background. I don't always like to do this because sometimes it takes too much away. Sometimes you lose this wonderful watercolor designs on it, but sometimes it actually does a nice job. So the background is white anyway. It would be okay on my cafe latte mug, but it's just, again, that sort of like more of a perfection going on there. Yeah, so it's deleting our background at the moment. It's a large file, so it takes a little while. Okay, so I'm quite happy with this. It's quite nice. It didn't destroy it too much. So then what you can do, you can play around with it. You can either, it's nice as it is on its own, but you can also add a text. So let's see if I wanted to add a text. I've already got my text uploaded in here. So let's have a look. I quite like this saying, wake up and make up, as I have here. But then I'd never know, okay, it's this one. Okay, fantastic. So again, not everywhere. I don't really put these sayings everywhere. Like if I have a nice big image like this, I don't really add anything else. So I'm just showing you guys what you can do. But I'm going to take it off for now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this as background. Okay, so just going to move it a little bit down. Okay, and I've now got my image ready for print on demand company. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to download it now. Transparent background. And then I will run it quickly through my upscaler. Because, again, I want to have it perfect for the print on demand company. So we go into downloads. And as you can see, it's transparent because it hasn't got any background. So now it's upscaling twofold, and we're going to do 4. So let's do 4 times. Look how nice it is. You know what? I love watercolors. Most of my work is based on watercolors. As you can see on my website, I absolutely love it. It's just breathtaking. And now I just download it. And now I'm going to head over to Gelato, and I'm going to create my new product. So that's how easy it was. But of course, I do make it look easy, but the graphic creation is really tough. Then I have to clean it. I have to obviously remove background or, like sharpen it. It's a lot of editing. So you now see the already edited version. But yeah, but I still enjoy it. I enjoy that process very, very much. Yeah. So then we start designing our mug. So we click on start designing. So this is our area for our graphics. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on add new, add image. These are already my images here. And then my device. And I'm going to go to downloads because that's where I downloaded it to. and it's this one. Yeah, so it's upscaled one, upscaled version, and it's uploading it up here. At this point, we can still add some text, but as I said, like, I don't like to overwhelm them. I mean, as you can see here, I do have some that have got this text that are already on the website. You can see that there's a nice DPI 818, which I like. Also, I've added some text here because it was quite nice. But with this one, the one that we are focusing on today, I don't think it needs, so we've got 818 DPI, fantastic. You don't have to have this kind of high DPI. 300 is more than enough, and I think for mugs, even less is acceptable. Then you can sort of like play around with it, see which one looks better. So this kind of, so let's take a look one by one. So we can actually preview it, 3D preview. And I really am hoping that the colors will just pop. That's what I absolutely love. And then I'll show you some examples of one of my customers. Oh well, this is just lovely, isn't it? Look at the colors. So this is exactly what you would be getting. Imagine waking up to this every morning, sort of like celebrating women's beauty, celebrating power, and how powerful we are once we put that makeup on, right? It's just, that just gives us that inner confidence. But like, also, it sort of is like a mask, isn't it? A mask that sort of masks a lot of maybe grief, sorrow. So I love these images. Okay, so now we close it and we're going to try this one. So this is a little bit smaller. Let's have a look what it looks like. It's a large file, so that's why it's taking a little bit long. Okay, so this is lovely as well. I actually prefer this because then you've got these dots perfectly positioned, but you see how crystal clear it is when it doesn't have a background. So it's just, yeah, it's stunning. And as I said, this mug is already available on my website. I can, if you want to, I can add some text to it. So let's just go over how you would add text to it. But I love it as it is. I don't think it needs anything, but of course you can. There's a text version here, so you would just add text and write something there. But we're not going to do that now because I don't think it's needed. Um, yeah, and then you just go to order, add to order, and this is how I do my mugs. This is the whole magic behind it. How amazing is this? So my mug is now ready. I can have a look at it. Yeah. Oh, look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Guys, so this is how I design and basically continue to shipping, and that's how my mug with my graphics gets to you for your whether you just want it for yourself or you want to give it as a gift to a powerful friend of yours, or someone who needs a quick pick me up. So guys, yeah, this is the whole process. Yeah, so I basically use Canva for most of my editing, and then I use this Pixarcut for my upscaling, and then for latte mags I use Gelato Company. Yeah, so I've got here my stores. We've got Express Prints here. That's my website. And also I have Express Prints on Etsy. So once the design is ready, I communicate it to the POD company and I create my mug. They have a state-of-the-art machinery and skilled craftsmen who translate these designs onto the mugs with precision. I always ensure to check the quality of the prints. The vibrant colors, the sharp details, it's all due to the high quality printing process. So, what does this mean for you, the customer? Well, you get a uniquely designed, high quality product crafted with love and care. And because it's print on demand, we can offer a wide variety of designs without worrying about storage or waste. Guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to see this video, and I truly hope that you enjoyed learning about what's going on behind the scenes at Express Prints, and I really hope that I get to create a special mug just for you. Thank you.